All S90 receive a 4.7-inch stretch, and almost all of that extra length goes to the rear passenger compartment to add legroom. Optional heated and ventilated rear seats and sunshades for the rear windows allow passengers to luxuriate in comfort and privacy. A large panoramic sunroof is now standard across the lineup, which now includes a T8 plug-in hybrid model that produces 400 horsepower from its gasoline-electric powertrain. The Sensus Connect infotainment system receives some improvements to its hardware and software, and the S90 list of active safety features grows to include oncoming lane mitigation and blind spot monitoring with active steering assist. The base T5 powertrain is no longer offered on the Inscription trim level but can now be equipped with all-wheel drive. The S90 was an all-new, range-topping sedan in the Volvo lineup, and it serves as the brand ambassador to luxury car buyers in a way its predecessor, the S80, never could. It borrows its design language from the brand top SUV offering, the XC90, including its Thor hammer headlamps and exquisitely pointed interior. Volvo commitment to high-tech continues with the S90, which offers adaptive cruise control with a semi-autonomous driving mode, automated emergency braking, and lane keeping assist.